Yeah, it's a special STEM program, we call it Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. So they get to use all those subjects in their working with the robot. It's not just about the robots. There's a game that they have to program the robot to play, but they also have to do some research and make a presentation.
It's kind of a stepping stone for them, and it gets them a lot of hands-on stuff that they wouldn't normally get through regular school.
My favorite part is the competitions. It's really cool to finally see what all your work's gone towards. Everyone at the competitions are really nice, and there's just a lot of camaraderie.
I'm the coach of our first all-girl robotics team in Hazlitt, and we're called the Gear Girls. We program robots, we study a social problem and figure out how technology can be used to solve that problem. The logic of programming is something I think really translates into a lot of different areas.
The project, we get to make something really cool, using our minds and our creativity.
They are really great. They come up with great innovations. It's really exciting to work with them.